I changed my mind. Just saw a couple good ones, so now I'm on part 2. This one ain't gonna be as long because the storm's about to hit, so this is part 2. And the cat is still sitting down there in the yard. I'll zoom in on it for you quick. Right now it's just raining. Big stuff's not here yet. It's coming though. You're seeing it on camera right now. It's coming our way. And the wind's starting to crank up. Huh. Oh, that felt good. Oh, yeah. A nice cold breeze there. Oh, yeah. I guess I overheated a lot with my hair so long, so it kind of felt really good, actually. She's getting close now. I can just feel it. The wind's already cranking up. And it got cold. Woof! I think I'm going to close this out here pretty shortly. This is part 2, though. I'll get you a few more minutes, and that's about it. For any of you that live down in Mississippi and Alabama, you probably stay weather aware for tomorrow because you got a higher risk for severe weather down in your area. So you gotta be very aware. We're under marginal right up here in Garretson right now for tonight. And it's gonna be thunderstorms at first, and then it's gonna turn into snow after midnight. So, and heck, it got cold fast. I just heard a wind chime. That was cool. There are still kids out hanging out. Hear them screaming on the other side of town from here. But they're not going to be out long. The storm's getting really close. Where I'm facing the cameras where all the big strikes are coming from. But man, it got cold. I gotta be very careful. I don't know what that was, that squeak sound. That was weird. It might have been a delivery truck. I'm gonna have to close this out shortly. It's coming, it's already hitting. Woo! It got cold. That cat is still sitting down there. It likes the rain. Some cats do hate water though. Uh-oh, it's coming, it's hitting right now. The part 2 is pretty much dedicated to some wind and spraying, I guess. I was hoping for some more lightning. Still possible to see a couple more strikes. But it's getting close. So I'm going to go in here shortly. For part 1 is pretty much the storm just coming into town. This is in town now. I'm very sorry if it got cold. But it did. Wow. The lightning always, it died down. I don't know what's going on. What's next? Is it gonna hit something in town? Most likely, probably, yeah. I don't want that though. That's a heck of a loud sound. If it hits something in town. Well, I'm risking my life just for y'all. I don't want to get hit by no lightning, I'm gonna tell you that right now. But rain's getting in my ear and everything. I'm gonna have to close this out. It hit. I hope you enjoy it. Oh. Well, this is a storm in town. Just video of that if anyone wants. There's a bird. There it goes. It took off flying. And there's one on top of the roof right there. Wow! It's got cold. Let me tell you. Look at my arm. You can tell I'm getting goosebumps. It's getting cold. That's what you expect when a storm comes. I just saw lightning over there again. I think this is just the beginning. It's not the bad part yet. It's still coming. Wow. And look at my shirt. It's soaked. Alright, I think it's it. It's starting to come down now. Wow. I was hoping to get one more big lightning strike, but I guess it's not gonna happen. It's here. It's getting me soaked right now. You should see my shirt more better, but you can't because it's getting dark out. You can see the anvil of it right there, that's the front of it. And this is the inside right here that you're looking at. Haha. Well, look at my pants. That's soaking wet. Well, since it's here, I suppose I better close it out. I hope you enjoyed part 2. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. I might make a part 3, but I'll think about it. I don't know. We'll see. But bye.